Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to make a simple nameplate with a quote on it. And to make that, the things that we require is a nameplate like an MDF board or any wooden board in the size of a nameplate. Then I have taken an empty medicine bottle for decoration purpose. Then our common stationery items, then acrylic paints and brushes, Fevicryl molded, talcum powder, Fevicol blade or a knife, then twine, artificial flowers and thermocol. The entire process of making the nameplate will be visible on the screen step by step. To start with, I have first written the quote on the nameplate, which is in Marathi. Tuch, Ahes, Tujhya, Jeevanacha, Shilpkar, which means you are the creator of your own destiny. That is what it means. So on the board I have written it, and then I have pasted the medicine bottle and painted it and kept it aside to dry. Once the bottle was pasted firmly, I then filled the bottle with thermocol and then covered the thermocol part as well, basically filled the bottle above the thermocol with artificial flowers. Once I then started lettering, I started making stripes with the Fevicryl molded, which I initially mixed it together, and I started making stripes out of it, and then used Fevicol to paste it on the nameplate. And once the Fevicryl molded was dried up completely, I started painting the coat. And then I again put it aside for few hours until it was completely dry, and then I applied varnish on the entire nameplate. And that's it, the nameplate is ready. You can also decorate with any chamki or kundans, but I did not because my plate was already full, and this is the way I liked it. Also, do watch this video till the end because I will be sharing my other nameplate work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.